Hello everyone. Here we are starting our new paper, financial accounting. As you can see, our course code is BCOC 131. So as you know, the financial accounting is one of the important subject in the field of commerce. So it's one of the unavoidable subject, as we can see. So the different objectives of this course. What are the objectives of this course? Let's start with the objectives of this financial accounting. Apart from the examination, whenever you are learning a subject, you should know why you should learn this subject. Why should I learn this subject? So here is the answer, why you should learn this accounting. So this paper, this financial accounting paper, will help you to understand the concept and purpose of accounting. Concept and purpose, why this accounting, why it is needed, what's going on over this accounting, all these kinds will be explained. And learn the accounting process by ensuring compliance with accounting principles. As you know, accounting is a systematic way of recording, classifying, summarizing the financial transaction and communicating them. So it's a systematic process. As it is a systematic process, there are different concepts, principles, standards to be followed. So by following these accounting principles, then only we can do an accurate system of accounting. So we have to comply with all these existing accounting principles. So we will see what are the accounting principles, standards or concepts, and prepare final accounts of business organization. Every business organization is they are practicing this accounting to fulfill their objectives, such as they want to know the result of their business and they want to know their financial position. So these two objectives are fulfilled by preparing the financial statement. The financial statement will give the result of the business or current worth of the business. So through learning the financial accounting, you will be able to prepare the financial statements of different types of business organization. As we know, there are different types of business organization, either a sole trader, partnership, or a company, limited company, or any other type of organization. And there are some special areas of accounting, some special branches of accounting. So that also you will be able to know through this paper. And also including introduction to the computerized accounting. Apart from the manual accounting system, computerized accounting nowadays is very widely used, and we cannot do this accounting system without implementing the computer in it. So computerized accounting is an important part. So all these objectives will be achieved by learning this paper, financial accounting. So as far as our syllabus, all these objectives are achieved by completing total 6 blocks. So as you see here, there are 6 blocks. The first one is theoretical framework of accounting. Then the second one is the accounting process, that explain the accounting process, and the final accounts, the types and preparation of final accounts. Then hire purchase and inland branches, and the fifth one is consignment and joint ventures, and the last computerized accounting. So these are the categories on which our papers are divided into different blocks. So there are 6 blocks. So let's see what are the important topics or units that we are going to learn in these different blocks. So see the block 1, theoretical framework. As the name says, it consists of all the theories regarding financial accounting, the theoretical background of financial accounting. See, the first unit relates to nature and scope of accounting. So in this unit 1, we will be learning the meaning, the purpose, the objectives, all about the background of accounting. And the second unit is accounting process and rules. How we do this accounting process, how we implement the accounting process, what are the rules? Certainly there will be some rules, because everyone have to do this accounting on a consistent basis. So there are certain rules. So we'll be learning that rules in unit 2. Then third one, as I said in the objectives, we have to comply with certain principles. So what are the accounting principles and standards that also included in unit 3 and 4? So as a summary, we can say the block 1 will give you an entire view of the theoretical framework of accounting, the theoretical background of this accounting. Okay. Then moving to the block 2, it consists of accounting process. Here we start practicing accounting. So the process of accounting consists of journal and ledger, that will be discussed in unit 5, how to prepare the journals and how the transactions are posted to different ledgers. We will be uh, seeing the detailed information, the detailed practice to prepare journals and ledgers. And the unit 6 is subsidiary books. What are the different subsidiary books that we are going to prepare? And unit 7, trial balance. Trial balance is used for the as a control procedure. So this block 2 is mainly consists of the practical side of accounting. You know, accounting is a pragmatical subject. Here we have to do the practical problems. I mean, the illustrations will be definitely dealing with this illustration. Then only we will be knowing how to do this accounting practice. Then when it comes to the block 3, final accounts. In case of final accounts, we are summarizing all those accounting ledgers or subsidiaries, summarizing into final accounts. That means final accounts are basically classified into two units, unit 9 and 8, and before that we will be completing the depreciation. What is depreciation, what are the methods of depreciation, all this will be discussed. And after we will be preparing the final accounts. The final accounts is a bit longer chapter, that's why it is divided into 2 units. Here we will be preparing the financial statements of business organizations, especially the statement of profit or loss and statement of financial position. And in block 4, here up to block 3, we'll be knowing the basic accounting procedure and process and the preparation of final accounts. So as far as a basic business, a normal business, this up to unit 10, you'll be able to prepare the final accounts of a normal business. Then there can be some special business, some special transaction based business where you need to apply some special accounts, So there are some business, they need special type of accounts. So that are involved in block 4, such as hire purchase and inland branches. Hire purchase and inland branches. As you see, hire purchase is one of the arrangement for buying any kind of securities or any kind of products, whatever. It's a payment arrangement. And the same time, inland branches that involves the business organization that having different branches and they having some transaction or transfers in between the branches. So how we will do this special accounting? That will be discussed in block 4, and this hire purchase is divided among the 2 units, units 11 and 12, and the branch account also unit 13 and 14. And consignment accounts consist of consignments. Consignments is basically related to transporting the goods or any kind of cargoes and so on. So how they will do their accounts, that we will be dealing with in block 5, 15 and 16 units, such as consignment accounts. Then we at last we will prepare joint venture accounts. What is joint venture, and I mean, what is the purpose? Everything will be discussed when we are opening that unit 70. So these are the special accounts followed. What are the special accounts? Hire purchase, branch accounts, consignment, and joint ventures. So we'll be learning how to prepare their financial statement, how is their accounting process. Then when it comes to the last block, it is about computerized accounting. The beginning itself, I said the importance of computerized accounting. So the introduction to the computerized accounting and creation of a company, how we'll do creation of a company. This computerized accounting basically we'll be learning with the help of Tally. As you know, Tally is one of the most popular application or software used for computerized accounting in India. So we'll be learning this block 6 by using Tally, and we'll be having some interactive sessions with the Tally's applications, and how to create the masters, how we'll do the vouchers and invoicing, and how to prepare the reports, how to generate the reports by using computer-aided accounting. And this entire block 6 we'll be discussing with the help of Tally software. So this is all about our financial accounting. I hope you got an idea of our financial accounting subject, and these are the chapters or contents that we are going to learn in this course. And basically it is really interesting only. I think there won't be anything like boring. We have to do lots of illustrations to solve different question examination. Especially in examination you will be facing some uh, problems, I mean illustrations. So once we practice regularly, I mean, we'll be having different illustration practice over the sessions, and if you are able to follow those illustration and if you do practice yourself, definitely you can pass this paper with good mark. Okay, this is about this introductory section, and we will see in upcoming days through the different lessons. Thank you. See you again.